G'day traders and welcome to Just Eminis Day Trading Made Easy. My name is George Borg and today is Friday the 25th of January 2013, the Eminis S&P. The pre-market's obviously proven itself to make these highs, and as we were expecting, we started shorting at the beginning of the pre-market, but then it's come up into this new highs again. So we're looking at taking these moves even further. So the initial part of the move in the morning, we're looking at taking a very small short into this range. Again, this is an aggressive one. What I'll go through with today's video were the aggressive type of setups. We do take as much as we can the conservative setup in the room, but we aren't always given those opportunities, so we need to pick and choose which trades best suit our style. So I'm going to go through that today in today's video. 1495.75 was here. I'm looking for a short, very tight opening part of the market. Obviously there are inherent risks involved. We've had a fill, an immediate stop out with 3 ticks. It's not too bad, very small at that. So our next setup pretty much involved this one down here. So looking for a long position, 92 evens long, and we've got an upside target of the 1525. So fresh, brand new areas. So we're seeing what we can do through this. Now, our downside risk in this happened to be quite large again, 6 ticks, but we were protecting ourselves as best as we can. What happened was from there we've had a reaction. We've had a couple of dojis, so it was quite close to our risk. And we'll eventually pull up. Now, again guys, this is one of the setups that we watch in the room, and we need to either do one of two things. Trade it as it's given to us, or what we usually do for the conservative setup, we wait till it trades and then confirms a break, and then we can trade the next setup, which is what we've done in the afternoon. So as the highs have begun to get made, we start then looking for other reasons to take these long. Some of the members got in at the very bottom here. It is a bit of an aggressive style, and they did happen to take out quite a good trade today. Unfortunately, their full targets weren't met. And what happened was when the market reached this 3 o'clock mark, it started to turn. This is when we had another setup into this range. So looking for a 1495 entry, and some of the members, and this happens to be our conservative setup. We're waiting for this setup. The closer we got to 4 PM, the more desperate the trade had actually become, because it is the last half hour of the week. You trade very cautiously. Now, some of the members couldn't take it because it was in the last part of the day. Some of our members put a very limited order on, and they've been hit at 14.95 even. We've got a risk limit here. It's a very conservative one at that. So we've got a 5 tick risk, but an upside target of 1575s. Again, is it possible to happen at this time of the day? And that's what we're up against. So we need to put that into perspective. As soon as we got into the trade, we actually had an immediate reaction, so it was quite good. Broke new highs for the year, and then we had to see what was happening. So this trade actually come up, as you can see, it's come up a good four and a quarter points. Did quite well. The first one's come up here, it's come up 6.5 points, a little bit more. They both couldn't quite reach their targets. Reason being, we're in fresh new territory, and it's very difficult to get into this. This last trade again has its inherent risks involved. Did we take much of the table? Well, some of our members took partial profits today. Some of our members obviously had to stand by and wait for the conservative setup. But we look at different setups throughout the day, and this is what we look at every single day in the trading room. Did we take our full profit targets today? We've been struggling in January to take out these targets in the same trading day. So intraday trading's been a little bit dangerous this month. Otherwise, this is what we do in the room. We hope you guys had a good day trading. This is Just Eminis Day Trading Made Easy, and we'll see you all again on Monday. Bye for now.